The MICC project consists of 3 projects: the MICC School, MICC University and MICC World. In last 13 years, the project gathered over 3,000 participants from all around the world.
MICC is a program that focuses on historical human rights education. We enable young students, but also university-level students, to engage in discussions of international criminal law by discussing particular cases, both of a historical nature, but also of current events and how they unfold.
This first contact with international justice hopefully encourages young people to continue working in the field of human rights and contributing to a more tolerant, just and empathetic society.
And you have to understand that the topics that they discuss at MICC are topics that relate to also the recent wars. So we're very happy that young people get to become friends and meet somebody from the neighboring country for the first time at an MICC session.
MICC is a transformative experience for everyone involved, whether it be gaining a new skill, forging new relationships, or simply changing your perspectives on stereotypes and history.
MICC is powerful because it forces you to put yourself into other people's shoes and look at things from a different perspective.
It smashes stereotypes and teaches you about finding common ground.
It helps us recognize our commonalities rather than our differences.
The MICC isn't just about law. Students and participants gain a wide skill set. They learn how to public speak, they learn about the importance of research, and they have the chance to be creative.
The knowledge and experiences you gain and the memories that you make by being part of this project will stay with you for a very, very long time.
My students have said that MICC is the best educational experience that they've ever had. I've noticed that their confidence has grown and they're much better at forming life-changing decisions.
This is a project for somebody who wants to learn something, who wants to have fun along the way, and who wants to make some kind of impact on their own future.
Our family is still growing, and we hope that one day you will also become a part of it. For more information, visit our website or visit our social media accounts.